Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the human name generator tool to come up and generate great baby names. Alright, so if you're going to have a baby and you don't know how to name the baby, you can use this human name generator tool to come up with great baby names. You can access this website for absolutely free at humannamegenerator.com. I will also link it in the description below so you can check it out. And once you have opened up the human name generator website, all you have to do is select basically 4 settings. So you can select the gender here. So if you want to generate boy names, you can select that. If you want to generate girl names, you can select that here. Then once you have selected the gender, what you can also add as a setting is what kind of letter you want the name to start with. But you can also skip this field if you do not know, if you have no particular preference here. Then you can select the name length. So you want a shorter name, select 3 letters. If you want a longer name, you can select that as well. Or you can also select any length. So in this case, let's say it's a 5 letters name. And then you can also have the option to select the origin or the nationality of the name. So if you want an American sounding name, you can select that. African sounding, French, German, Indian, Japanese, and Russian. So let's say we want an American boy name that is 5 letters long. And once you have selected all the settings, just click on the generate names. And as you can see here, we have received 6 beautiful baby boy names. But if you do not like them, just click on generate names and it will generate you more random boy names that fits these criteria. So all in all, this site can use the human name generator tool. As I mentioned, this is a completely free tool that we have developed. So if you have any idea on how we can further improve the tool, or you have any feature requests, make sure to comment down below and we'll read the comments. And if you want to help us to develop this tool further, you can also buy us a coffee. I will link the buy us a coffee page under the tool as well, so you can click on that and contribute to this project. So now this is how to use the human name generator tool at humannamegenerator.com to come up with baby name ideas.